Okay, so this is not really going to be anything like I've ever streamed before, except me answering the chat, obviously, like I always do. Feel free to ask me anything in the chat. I'm probably going to be focusing mainly on this, though. I'm probably not going to read the chat that much, but yeah, this is pretty interesting, and I'm probably going to focus on it, guys, but if you want to chill, then feel free. I can't believe how good this game is. This insane, to be fair. When the crossbow is powered on and aimed in the correct direction, it will project targets onto the field that match the outlines of the approaching zombies. For each zombie coming at you, the crossbow will project a target to match. It's a pretty smart weapon. All you have to do is get the targets to line up with the zombies, and the crossbow will fire automatically. Okay. That's called the Justify laser. Engineer Dave named it. Justify laser helps it. The zombies will try to trick you with different attack positions, so learn it. Okay. Justify. The default setting is Justify Content Flex Start. This makes the targets line up at the start, so here, of the flex box. Let me just put the chat on. I've got no idea how to put it. There it is. Hey guys. Hope you can see what I'm doing. I guess you can. It seems to be working fine. Let me just change a couple of settings. Let's put monetization on just because I may as well. And then I want to pop the chat out, and I want to change the chat to live chat. Pop it out. There we go. Okay. Like I said, I'm probably going to be mainly focusing on flex zombies, but there you go. If you don't know what Flexbox is, it's advanced, well, not advanced because it's just as easy as CSS. It's like an evolution of CSS. It's kind of pointless learning CSS when you could just learn Flexbox, I think. Feel free to call me out on that, but as soon as you powered on the crossbow, the target matched the zombie since he was lined up right by you. Okay. So this is all about aiming where things are. This is exactly what I need because I just literally could not get my head around how to... Like, I can make things look good, but I can't put things where I want them to be very easily anyway. It takes a lot. Yeah, so this is flex start and this is flex end. That's fine. Justify content, flex start, flex end. So let's say I wanted it... well, we'll see. Okay, so this is flex direction row. Not really expecting many people to watch, but that's fine. This white outline is a target being projected by the crossbow. Okay, so this is a target. I don't really like that target, but there you go. I guess that makes more sense because that's how big a flex box piece is. So it needs to be flex end without looking. Justify, no. How do you flex? No, justify. I was right. Justify content flex end. I did look there. Okay, nice. This is amazing. Whoever made this, wow. You got him, remember that. When they're at the end, use justify content flex end. Okay, that's fine. So, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so row reverse. Okay, so yeah, I need to do the same thing. Justify content flex end. Alright, nice. Even when you're aiming... Wait, am I allowed to stream this? This is a video game, right? I think I'm allowed to stream. I really hope I don't get, like, banned or something. It should be fine. This is just a game, right? Whatever. Even when you're aiming south like this. Justify content flex end. I don't even really need to read that. I understand. Justify content flex end. Okay, I'm going to try and not read it as much anymore. Okay, so I don't want to read this. Justify content center should work. Yeah, without reading. Flexbox king right here. Nice. Okay, don't read. What do I need to do? I need... Oh, I don't know how to do this. I have to read this. Oh, I did know that. Damn. Space between... Oh, interesting. The thing I don't understand is how do you decide how many boxes there are? That's another thing I didn't really get. I guess it's how many divs there are. Okay, so space between. That's really, really interesting. I'm glad that I know that now. So if I want them here, here, and here, it's space between. Okay. Okay, so space around. Difference between this time. Space around. How does that work then? It must. Space between, space around. Oh, I see. So it's like they've got invisible borders around them. Oh. This is huge for me. Thank you to Ed for telling me about this. Space around. Shout out to Ed Chan for telling me about this program right here, because this is so good. Is this on live? No, it's on top. I knew it. Okay, amazing. Good. So I'm learning Flexbox if people don't know. Those zombies are freaky, I agree. Another thing that I need to learn is how, like, when I press next, how do I make it do something on the page? I don't know how to do that yet. This must be JavaScript. I hope this doesn't ruin it. It must be JavaScript, right? This must just be loads of JavaScript. I'd have to look at the source. Oh no, I'm going to console, right? Oh, it doesn't show me. Oh, okay. Fair. I wish they wouldn't write all this trash. Like, I don't need this trash, guys. Like, come on. I'm just trying to learn to code. You don't need to tell me all this trash. Okay. What do I need to do here? Display flex. But it should be display... I'm at this side, so it should just be... Oh no, it should be display... And then flex end, right? And then... Or not? Yeah, okay. And then I need to justify content. Oh no, I need to display the flex, and then I'm stupid. Okay, and then flex direction. Flex end, is that right? I think. I've forgotten already. No. And setting them actually justify content. No, I can't remember at all. You're gonna aim row reverse. Oh yeah. And then justify content. Flex and flex direction. This is row reverse. That should be it. Yeah, nice. Okay, so flex direction. Justify content. It's so complicated though to map it out in my brain. I really don't like it. Okay, so this is I've forgotten how to do display flex. How am I so bad? Wait, display flex. No. How am I so bad at this? Why am I not using Brave as well? Yeah, display flex. Okay. Flex direction should be column. Nice. And then justify content should be center. Yes. Bang. Nice. Nice, I'm getting it, guys. I'm getting it. Okay, this should be justify. No, okay. Display flex. Remember, always display flex. And then, ooh, come on, dude. Flex direction on reverse. Nice. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, so this is space between as well. Oh, I understand. I can put divs here and divs here. Oh, yes. Okay, column reversed, it's giving me that, so flex, justify, content, space between, nice. This is really good for learning Flexbox, guys, holy crap. Okay, so, display, flex. Is that right, or is it flex display? Come on, brain. Yeah, display flex. Flex direction, column reverse. Is that not right? It needs an end there. Okay, nice. And then justify content, space around. No. Space between. Oh no, flex end? Space around as well? Between. No? Wait. Flex. It should be just that, no? Oh, it's there in the center. Oh, fair. Oh, fair. Display flex. Flex direction. Row reverse. Okay, good. Justify content. Nice. It is getting easier, you're right. Display flex. Flex direction is column. And then justify content from the flex end. Nice. This is so good. I understand. And this is just the first, this is just justifying the position. There's so much more to learn. Okay, this should be easy. Let me just try and think about this. Just center, right? Yeah. Display flex. I think just justify content center, right? Justify content center. I know this isn't exactly what I've been talking about on my channel recently, guys, but right now I'm completely focused on learning to program. Yeah, I just thought I'd share a little bit with what I'm doing, what I'm creating. This is what I created so far. This took me 2 days. I'm really not very good, but I'm learning very, very quickly, and that's the important thing. This should be easy for me, so display flex. How do I get to the next line? Because that's really cutting into my... Does anyone know what the hotkey is to go to here in code? Maybe I can do that. Oh, but that takes even longer. Display flex. Should be column reverse. So flex direction, column, reverse. Oh, not column, sorry, row, reverse. Justify content center. That's fine. Yeah, I'm not gonna rest. Okay, here we go. This is where it gets difficult. After Dave left, I don't know whether I should read this or not. Okay. They're trying to dodge our justify laser by aligning themselves to the top, but we can shift our targets along the blue alignment lasers to match. Oh, that's what that is. I see. This is a justify line, and that's an alignment. So align items. Isn't it just flex start by default though? So it'll be there, yeah. Okay. I named the alignment lasers setting to match your reading direction. When you read a page, you start from the top. So flex start means align to the top. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. When you align items, flex start. Wait, but what do you mean when aiming vertically? But how do you make the flex box aim vertically? That's what I don't understand. But when aiming vertically like this, align items, flex start means align left. When you read align, you start on the left and end on the right. Oh, I don't understand. I understand what it wants me to do, but I don't understand why or in what context this would ever be relevant. Or not. Do I need to get rid of that? No. Oh, align items. Okay. The important thing to remember is that align items is always aligning along your blue alignment lasers perpendicular to the direction I aim. But if I'm making a flex box, how do I start here? That's what I don't understand. Flex end, because this is the end of the flex box here, if you're reading up to down. That makes sense. Line items, flex end. So you justify content, flex end, and align items, flex end, it'll be here. And if you, oh, okay, interesting. So if you wanted to make a header at the top of the page, you would, that's how you do it, you align it. Oh, I understand. Yeah, I just don't understand the div thing, I guess. That's the complicated thing. This is kind of easy to understand. Display flex. It's all important to know how to do each one, I guess, though. Yeah, so this will be flex end because you read left to right and we're facing down. So, how do you do it again? Align items, flex end. I thought people would say hello a little bit. I guess not. That's fine though. I haven't streamed in ages, I understand. And I'm not really streaming anything relevant to my channel. Although it kind of is, because I'm learning a new skill and eventually I'm going to be doing blockchain development, I'm pretty sure. And that's a way to make money online, for sure. Learning to program is invaluable, because you can't rely on other people. It's too expensive. And they'll just get it wrong. Okay, so why is it so big? Ah, a line item stretch. But why would I want to do that? I guess it doesn't matter. Just do it. Okay, interesting. Later I'll make stretch the new default. They've centered along our blue alignment lasers. Yeah, but that's how they were before. Change your settings to align and center. To make them smaller. Interesting. Okay, don't look. Flex direction, column reverse. So I need to align the content. I need to justify content flex end, and I need to align content flex end. No. Flex end. No, what? Align items. Why would it not be content though? It just makes more sense. Why? Align items, flex end. Okay, again, take them both out. Yeah, okay. Stop writing align content, align items. Flex start. Nice. Stop writing content, dude. Wouldn't it make more sense though for that to be align content? Why is it justify content and align items? That makes no sense. Whatever. Okay, display. Right, I want to put something on the left of my page. So display flex direction. Row reverse. Align content flex and will you stop writing align content? Justify content. Nice. Okay, so display flex. Flex direction should be column reverse. No, column Justify content should be space between, no, around, and then align items. First time I've written that correctly is, I'm reading left to right, so flex start. Nice. Kind of surprised nobody has said hello yet. Okay, so come on, think. Display flex direction column reverse align items flex start justify center no flex end. Nice. So what is that though? That's a div. This is a div, and then I can make another div. I wish someone could just tell me. I'll work it out eventually. Display flex line items flex start justify content center. Bang! Sit down. I wish they came at me, that would be more fun. Like, really slowly, but... Okay, display flex, justify content. That must be space between, look at it. It's too perfect not to be. Why does that say that's wrong? What? What am I missing? Wait, that's right, though. Oh, because of... fuck, dude. You serious? Align items. That's flex end. Oh, is that space around? Oh, yeah, if there's... Oh, okay. That makes sense. Oh, they're big. Okay, stretch, so... Display... flex. Let's go that there, because there's one directly here, it must be justify content space. Align content stretch. I've written content. Okay. The default is stretch on Flexbox. Like with these, no need to specify align items since it's stretched by dot. Don't need to justify content either since they're in the position. So all you need to do is do display flex. Wait, I need to let my cat in. So display flex. So by default, that must be the setting. That's what's been confusing me this entire time. Why would the default option be stretched? That makes no sense. So if I want to place a header, I have to align it. That's why it wasn't working. I understand. Last one on the call. Okay, so display flex, flex direction, row, reverse, Wait, how do I make it? Wait. Oh, okay, there we go. How do I make it smaller? Is that possible? That'd be really nice. Justify. Bang. Dave and I were good friends, but we compete over everything. Great, I don't care about this. Just give me the next one, I don't care. They keep trying to make me take a break, I refuse. One of these things is not like the other, align self. Oh god. Morning, it's a beautiful day. Sure is. Hey, was that you making all the noises in the shed last night? I was so exhausted I couldn't even crawl out of bed to go check. Sure was. I was up all night thinking about what Dave might send us next. I realised something important. He's still himself, but all his weaknesses seem to be amplified now that he's turned. Yeah, that makes sense. Look, how his little approach turns full-fledged by the third. Yeah, blah blah blah. Okay. Something I used to get after him all the time was for adding one-offs to our projects. Instead of taking time to refactor and do things right, he'd just add a quick and dirty, this is what I need to know about. This is exactly what I need to know about this stuff, because I'm doing one-offs and it's driving me crazy. Instead of taking, I think this is going to be the class system. He just add a quick and dirty exception for the new behavior. It drove me nuts and he knew it. Okay, I see. So how can we use that on just try defense? I'm one step ahead of you, kid. After this realization, I spend the rest of the night modifying the crossbow. Add a new setting for handling one-offs. If I know Dave as well as anything I do, I think that's what he'll try next. Nice. How do we use it? The new setting is called align self. You don't set this one on the crossbow itself like all the other settings, but on the individual targets. Overrides. So it must be on the div. It overrides the align item setting of the crossbow, changes how the individual target lines up along the blue alignment layers. It's kind of confusing. Keep your cool and I'll walk through the setting. Okay. So this is just normal. So align items, center, justify content, flex. Okay, right. What do you mean, nth of type 2? What, you gotta explain what that means. Aha, I knew it. The first and last zombies are targeted correctly, so they're frozen in place. But look at the second zombie, she's a one-off, aligned. So this is like if you want to make a really nice login menu, for example, this is what you need to know. And I could not work out how to do this kind of thing. So align self flex start. Set your target to match her with align self flex start. Interesting. So you can use flexbox on anything. Align self flex start. But how do you make that target? It has to tell me how to make that target. Otherwise this is all pointless. I don't know how to make that div work. I really don't understand it. Take that, Dave, blah blah. I made the new align self saying take all the same values as the crossbow align items. So this should be familiar. Here comes the next way, okay. But how do I get this? Nth of type 1. I really hope they teach me that as well. No, align items, not just why is that not working? Oh, align. I'm an idiot. align self stretch. I really hope they tell me how to make divs. This is going to annoy me if they don't tell me how to like actually make that kind of stuff. I understand this already, like I don't need to do this anymore. I need to know how to make these boxes. Come on, this is easy, come on. I don't want to do this. I want to know how to make a div. I need to know if they're going to teach me what I need to know. Maybe divs aren't that hard to understand. How do you make like really like that? How do you make like really complicated ones? You can just put as many things into the thing as you want. And you can put each setting, so you could have these as align, flex start. I just don't understand. It's really frustrating. This is definitely helping me, but like I really want to know how to make divs and things. Okay, so whatever, I might as well carry on. Display, flex. So the odd one out is the big one. So justify intent flexing. Oh, no. Align self. Wait. Oh, they need to be shrunk. Align items. Center. This needs to sound close to the woman. Line. and then this needs to be what? Justify content, flex and align items, flex and start. Oh, okay. That was kind of difficult. It teaches flex box through games. It's not really HTML. It's not really HTML. It's more CSS. I was really confused with CSS, and this is the best way to make CSS, to do CSS. Flexbox. HTML, I'm still really confused by HTML, but I'm learning it slowly. Display, flex. But how do I know which one's which? That's the problem. Justify. Oops. Wait, who's the odd one out here? Oh, this is difficult. Justify content center. Align content. Okay, that's that one done, but how do I get... Oh, this is difficult. Wait, I don't know how to do this one. Line them up along the red line with the justify. Oh yeah, it needs to be space between. That's the one. Nice. And then flex, and that's it. Yeah, nice. Whoa, that was difficult. Okay, display, flex direction, column, reverse. Justify content. Why is that not doing anything? Oh, that's not right. Center. No. I need to align the content. Why is that not working? Flex end. Okay. Align self center. I need to learn about types in HTML. HTML types, that's going to be super important. Wait, why is that not working? Align items space around. Pretty sure that's how it's written. Align items. Oh, space between? No. What? Oh, I hate this. Why is that not working? Wait, what did I put? Oh, space between that. That's what I wrote. Oh, it's justify content. I hate my life. Oh my god, justify content. I'm so stupid. If I want to move it along the x-axis, I need to use justify content. If I want to move it along the y, I have to use align items. I have to remember that. Otherwise I'm going to get really confused. Align self must be justify, no, flex start. Yeah, nice. Hello. Hello. Piece of cake. I haven't had cake in years. Now I remember that one off on the end is the third in the order in this story. I'm so tired. How long have we been doing this? I don't know. Oh. Now, wait, how long have we been streaming? 47 minutes, holy crap. Piece of cake. Now remember that one of these is the third direction. I don't have to read that. Display flex. Flex direction is row reverse. Align items center. Justify. Align self up to down is flex. And yes. Right. How's it going, Mohammed? How is it going? God, I'm tired, guys. I'm sorry I haven't been making videos. I've been working constantly. I'm trying to learn as like 3 or 4 years of programming in a few months. If people are interested in like blockchain coding and stuff, I've learned an absolute metric ton of things. I'm not really good at it, obviously, but yeah, I've learned a lot. And I'm hopefully going to be starting to make money as a blockchain developer or something soon. Yeah, Flexbox is absolutely essential to being able to make like minting websites and all that kind of stuff, which is an absolute gold mine now for people. Need to be flex direction, column reverse. Align items center. Align self flex end. Just defi content space. My ultimate is right. Is this guy evil? Display flex direction. Row reverse. I understand the flex direction thing. I literally just understood it before. You control. You are this little person. You can do whatever you want. But why would you start it here and put it here? Oh, because then the content is looking this way, right? Wait. Why would you ever want to do it like this though? Why would you? Oh yeah, because the content's looking this way. Oh, that's super interesting actually. I've just understood that. So like you can have, yeah, no, what? Oh, I'm so confused. So confusing. Okay. Justify content flexing. Align items center. Align items flex start should be. Align self. Oh, that's not right. Oh, okay. Flex and good. Override the female's alignment. I don't know what that means. I don't know how to do this one, I don't think. Wait. Must be space around. No. Wait, no, I really don't know how to do this all. Oh, what? Oh. Oh, yeah, obviously. Luna. I'll be a master flex boxer by the end of the day. Maybe I should actually take a break. Probably not though. None of these are divs. Not a single one of these are divs. I need to understand divs. I'm streaming. So what happens if you just keep adding divs? div. Wait, but can I do a flexbox? Probably won't work here, right? Oh, it works. What the fuck? Okay. Okay, so if I want to put it there, I should use align items flex start and run that. Should be up there. It's not going up there. Why? And then what? I can just put another div inside any div. Oh wait, I understand. And then I can do div class equals, and then hello div. Okay, that should add another hello to the box. Oh. Oh wait, no, I need to end the div there and then run it again. No, why is it adding a new box? That's not what I wanted. How do I add a box to that div? How do I add more content? Oh, here. Oh, I understand. Wait, do I understand? Maybe. No, how do I add more content to the same div? How have they done it here? Oh, it's different, so I need to do h1, for example, and then run it. How do you put a div inside a div? Like, seriously, how do you put a div inside a div? Sorry guys, just a little to start, wrap a div element in another div element in here. Give the inner div a name like child and the outer a div, a class name like parent. Div class equals parent. Div class equals parent. Okay. Run. Why did that change everything? Oh. And then I'll do dot child border 5px outset red, blue. And then I need to close it and then run. Okay, and then what do I do? And the outer div, then it says use the class selector dot parent to select the outer div. And how do you select the inner div? I just need to see it done. Div class equals center. This is not helpful at all. Centering a div within a div using negative. So div class equals parent, div class equals child, and then double div close. That makes sense. I can vibe with that. So, and then I need to do instantly div class equals child. Okay. But how do I distinguish? That's what I don't understand. Oh. Oh, is it just in order? Yeah, it is. It's just in order, right? Why do they not have borders? Wait, align, self, flexing. What's that gonna do? I should put it at the bottom. This should put the hello at the bottom. It was already on the bottom. Why does it not change anything? Align, self, flex, start. Oh, I'm so confused. How do I do this, man? I want to put the hello here, and I want to put this here. How do I do that? I don't get it. But why is that all of it? Wait, and then... Why? So confusing. Luna. Go for. But this is just not what I'm learning at all. This is completely different to what I'm learning. Oh, I think I'm done, guys. I tried. My head hurts.